In this video, I'll show you how to manage fixed assets in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can keep track of long-term items like computers, equipment, vehicles, and furniture without burying details inside random expense categories. Start in QuickBooks, and from the left menu open Advanced Accounting, then go to the Fixed Assets tab to see your asset list in one place. Click any asset to view its details, where you'll typically see the original cost, depreciation amounts, and the remaining book value, which helps you understand how that asset impacts your financial statements over time. If something looks unusual, it's a signal to review the purchase entry or talk with your accountant, because depreciation methods and useful life choices can affect taxes and reporting. To add a new asset, click Add an Asset and enter consistent details like the asset name, purchase date, and cost, plus notes that help identify it later. If you need to clean up the list, use the drop-down on an asset to delete only when it's a duplicate or created by mistake, since removal can impact historical reporting. Keep this list updated, and your books will better reflect what your business actually owns. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that keep accounting clear and stress-free.